Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard 9001. So this is a TPM 2.0 not being enabled issue, and here's how you enable it. So first you want to check if you have it on your PC and is it enabled. For it, you go to search, type in run, and in here you type in tpm.msc, click OK, and it will open this window. And for me, it says TPM is ready to use. If it's not enabled for you, you have to go to BIOS to enable it. The one more thing you want to check is go to run again, type in msinfo32. It will open this window. And in here, you want to look for this. It says baseboard manufacturer. For me, it's MSI. For you, it might say Asus, ASRock, etc. And then you want to copy this motherboard, like the version and stuff. So it's B450 Gaming Pro for me. And then you want to go to YouTube, and in YouTube you type in how to enable TPM 2.0 on MSI B450. For you, if it's a different motherboard, you obviously type in that, and I have already a video on it, how to do it for B450s. Now, if you're panicking and your motherboard is like super old, or like your PC is older and you don't have a TPM module on your motherboard, fear not, you don't have to buy like a new PC for you to be able to play the game. You can buy simply the module, which is like, I don't know, 20 bucks or less on AliExpress. And then you simply plug it into your motherboard and go over through the step where you just enable the TPM 2.0 in the BIOS, and then you should be able to play Valorant normally, and you don't have to buy like a super expensive or a new PC for it to work. I'll leave links down below for Amazon and AliExpress for the modules. Now, the only thing you gotta look for is look for one which is like the same. It says like for Asus, for MSI, for ASRock. Depending on your motherboard manufacturer, you want to buy like that version of the TPM 2.0 module so it like fits and it works properly. And now I'll show you.
This is how you enable TPM 2.0 on MSI motherboard. So you restart the PC. And then spam delete key till you open BIOS. Once you're in the BIOS, head over to security tab. Click on trusted computing, and then security device support. Enable that, and then we'll leave this AMD CPU TPM enabled. Once you've done that, head over to save. Click on save changes and reboot, and that's it. That's how you enable TPM 2.0.
And after you've done that, you want to reboot your PC, and then the Vanguard 9001 should be gone, and you should be able to play Valorant. And yeah, that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.